I'm Jeremy. I'm an experienced CFO to help you start, grow and develop your business, working predominantly in e-commerce, retail and technology, turning short-term projects into long-term relationships. Today, I'm going to focus on finding ways to fund your business without resorting to asking for other people's money. Why get others involved when you can do it yourself? Why lose control? So firstly, you need to think about what do you need to take out of the business. Be honest and realistic with yourself and your family. And only you can set priorities in terms of what you need, what your family needs, and what the business needs. Now, when you talk about costs and profitability, you need to optimize your profitability. When I say optimize, that needs to make sure that it's sustainable and enables you to meet your goals for growth. So only invest in what adds value and learn when to say no. You can't do it all at once, or if you can, it's harder. And don't be afraid to disappoint your team if you need to make decisions against competing demands. Look to outsource when appropriate, but weigh up costs and weigh up costs against flexibility when committing to a long-term contract. It may be a big advantage to get a cost saving now, but you might want the flexibility to get out of it in 12 months' time. Only you know what's best right now for the business. Fix targets for consumables, set benchmarks as to what you should be spending, and get your team to buy into them. Set budgets and ROI targets for operational costs, investment, and marketing. And when looking at marketing, track your costs of acquiring and retaining new customers. Are they sensible? Are they sustainable? And do they give you what you need? And the last one's probably the most important, which is managing your cash and your working capital. So if you're responsible for looking after inventory, set parameters and challenge the assumptions you've made before. Can you keep less? And obviously you need to think about what terms you can negotiate with your suppliers. And again, weigh up cost versus flexibility. If you haven't got a purchase ordering system, put one in. Keep it simple. It could just be on spreadsheets. That way, you've got better visibility. The fact that people have to follow a process just in itself will limit expenditure. And look at how you can collect your cash more quickly. So if you're B2B, don't be afraid to talk to your customers about scheduled payments or even upfront payments. If you've got the relationship, if you don't ask, you don't get. And if you're B2C, speak to your PSPs about getting money paid into your account each day. Final tip before I wrap up, keep it simple. Focus on where the money is. Put all your attention into areas where you know you can make the biggest impact. And it goes without saying, better to manage your cash and your working capital than look to take costs out that affects your service and customer expectations. Thanks for watching this video. There's more tips and help on my LinkedIn page, website and Facebook. And many thanks for watching.